Hello everyone, I'm creating this channel for mechanical FE students. Online, let's build a community where we can help each other. Subscribe this channel and leave a comment. In this video, we will be going over Bayes theorem. That is coming from the probability section of FE handbook on page 65 in year 2025. So the question is, a red ball was picked from two boxes. We have a box 1 and a box 2. So the question is, if a red ball was picked already, what is the probability that it's coming from a box 1? So in this type of scenarios, we will be using Bayes theorem. That says probability of BA, and this is the formula, probability of B multiplied by probability of A, saying that B has already occurred. In this case, what we are saying, we have to refer to the scenarios. So one is, if red ball is picked, that we're writing as a scenario A. And if it's picked from a box 1, that we are referring it as a B. So the formula is given in a handbook. We don't need to memorize it, just need to understand how to do it. If you are out of school for a while like me, then this video will help you. So first of all, what we will be doing is finding out the probability of B, that is whether it's coming from a box 1 or a box 2. So we only have two boxes. One is box 1, one is box 2. So the probability of coming of 1 is 1 over 2, because we have only two total outcomes and a desirable outcome is 1. So probability is 1 over 2. So that I'm writing here 1 over 2. The second one is probability of A, saying that B has already occurred. So in this case, we are saying that we are picking the ball from box 1 while we are picking the red box, that is A. So in this case, what we are referring to is again to the statement that says box 1 has 3 red and 2 blue balls. So the total balls we will have 5, 3 plus 2, and desirable outcome that can happen is red ball, that is 3. So the answer is 3 over 5. That's what I'm writing it here. So in next case, we will be determining the denominator here. So let's write down into what this means is summation of. So in this case, we may have 3 boxes, 4 boxes, then n is equal to will be 4, but we only have 2. So in this case, n is equal to 2 here. So first I'm writing out, this is PB1. It means the probability of picking a red ball from box 1 multiplied by probability of it's a red ball. So second one is probability of picking a red ball from a box 2, and this one is the probability of picking from box 2. So the first one is total we had in a box 1 was 5, and the red ball would be 3 over 5. And saying that it's being picked from box 1, that would be 1 over 2, that we already calculated from here. In the same scenario, if we calculate P of box 2, that would be, we have two boxes and the probability that we are picking from a box 2 is again 1 over 2, that is entered here. So after calculating this equation, that is 3 by 10, 1 over 10, and the answer is 2 by 5. So now we have the value of probability of B, probability of A and B, and we are writing down here, just putting into the equation 1 over 2 multiplied by, this is 1 over 2 here, multiply it by 3 over 5. So just plugging into this equation here. And 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is the numerator that we just calculated from this equation. And after calculating, it's coming out 3 by 4. That is 75% chances that the red ball is coming from box 1. So that would be the answer. So the second question that was a little tricky was joint density function. So whenever the joint density function is given, and this one is the function axy, and it is asking to find value of a, and these are the conditions are given here. So what we need to do is this. I think this one is not given in a handbook, but what we need to do integrate it with these conditions 0 to 4 for x, 1 to 5 for y, and then equals to 1. To find out the value of a, we need to do that. And same, it's giving another conditions. So what most nearly the probability that it will occur between these two. So these are the full region that the function has given, but it's asking to calculate the probability under this one. So this one was a little trickier whether to use these conditions or this one. So in this case, we will be using these ones. So we can write it down. First for x is equals to 1 to 2, and then for y 2 to 3, and again this function here ax, y, dx and dy, and then we can solve for a again. I hope this was helpful. If you need more videos, I will be posting one question on my channel every day, and stay tuned with the FE exam problems. As long as I'm going through the practice, I will be posting videos. So let's create a community that we can help each other. Don't forget to comment if you have any question. I will try my best to reply with an answer.